Hey guys, it's Steven from the Brass Tap in Midtown, and today I wanted you guys to come and join me as we prepare our bourbon apple pie specialty cocktail. This is basically an old fashioned with a Thanksgiving twist, and we're going to be featuring this cocktail for our special event, Twas the Night Before Thanksgiving. So let's get started. So to get started here, we got our shaker with a little bit of ice in it, and we're going to start with an ounce and a half of Four Roses Yellow Label Bourbon. This is one of our most popular bourbons that we have. And then after that, we're gonna go with a few dashes of Angostura bitters and also orange bitters. So just splash a few in there. And then next, the true game changer, we're gonna go with a ½ ounce of our homemade cinnamon simple syrup. This is super easy. You're just infusing some cinnamon sticks with some sugar and some water. And then to finish it off, you're gonna go with 1 ounce of your favorite apple cider. So we'll get this going in there. This is gonna be the perfect drink with the cold weather coming around. Break out your sweaters, your friends and family are in town, and there's no better place to be than at the Brass Tap. I'm gonna drop our ice cube in there. We're gonna top it off. And it is as easy as that. So this is one night and one night only. Bring your friends, bring your family, gobble till you wobble.